If your CPU is stuck at 100% and your PC is lagging or freezing, this video will fix it. I'll show you the exact methods that actually work step by step. Step 1. Show the problem. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, and then go to the Performance tab and check your CPU usage. You might see 100%, 90%, depends on. So that's our problem. Step 2. Startup apps. Now go to the Startup tab and disable any apps you don't need. Too many startup apps can slow your PC and cause high CPU usage. Make sure you don't skip. One of the next fixes is what solved it for most people. Step number 3. Malware. Run a full scan using Windows Security or malware page. Malware can secretly use your CPU in the background, and that's the most scenario that is happening for most people. Step number 4. Sysmain. Important. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, find sysmain, right click on it, stop it, and then set startup type to disable. Step number 5. Windows Update. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and install all updates. Broken updates can cause CPU issues. Step number 6. Power Settings. Open Control Panel, Power Options, select High Performance Mode. Step number 7. Background Apps. Go to Settings, Privacy, Background Apps, and turn off apps you don't need. Step number 8. Overheating. If your PC is overheating, clean the dust and check your thermal paste. High temperatures can push CPU usage to 100%. So make sure you are having a good cooling system, especially for the CPU. Step number 9. Find the problem app. Go to Task Manager, sort by CPU, and check which app is using your CPU the most. If it's unnecessary, just close it or right click on it and end the application. Step number 10. Advanced Fix. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type this command sfc/scannow. After that, run this command to repair Windows image. That's it. If one of these fixes worked for you, tell me in the comments which one helped, and subscribe for more PC fixes. Thank you for watching this video and hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.